Today I decided to review the top 5 best value camping cooking utensils on the market. So let's get started. At number 1, Gerber Gear. The Complete is comprised of 4 components: spoon, fork, dual-sided spatula and 4-function multi-tool. Rather than leave those useful tong behind, the Complete offers a unique solution: create them instead. Detachable tool features a serrated package opener, can opener, bottle opener, and a veggie peeler. 4.7-star review from customer. To know more, check description below. Number 2. Roaming Cooking. Silverware that fits comfortably in your hands and then easily back into the case. High-quality neoprene zipper case that fits easily into desk drawers, lunchboxes, and backpacks. Perfect balance between weight and durability. Semi-sharp, partially serrated table knife is excellent for cutting through sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, or tender meats without crushing the food. Number 3. SZCO. This medieval utensil set is completely hand-forged from a quality carbon steel, treated to resist rust and corrosion for long-term use. Display. The handle features a twisted look throughout the handle for an elegant accent to the forged metal look. Number 4. Coghlan's. Durable stainless steel utensil set for the barbecue and camp cookouts. Includes spatula, spoon, and fork. Hole at the end of handles for hanging. Easy to clean. Affordable, essential gear for car camping, RV trailers, motorhomes, cabins, and more. Number 5. Cuisinart. Tools are crafted from durable steel and set in robust wooden handles. Longer than kitchen utensils, allowing for easy use over hot grill. The 12 tools are stored in a recycled plastic carrying case. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these camping mug, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.